What do you want to make?
Alright, I'm slicing mango. This is my particular method. First I cut off each of the sides on either side of the pit. And then I have this part. I'm going to slice off the edges. One edge, another edge. And then this is pretty much the pit. There's not a lot left on there. My wife will chew on that. I just put it in the compost. These I take and slice off the rind. Give that to my daughter. Hang on. And then do the same thing with that for each of the halves. Cut it down the middle. And then get my knife in there. Slice underneath. You might want to hone your knife before you do this. You got off the center part of the rind, flip it over, cut off one edge and another edge. And then sometimes what will happen is that you don't get a very good tuck, so I'm going to cut this one very sloppy. And then there's a bunch left here, and then you can just do it again, and that's like a snack for the chef. You can slice off this little part right here. And slice that up, and slice it very well, but you get the idea. And you can cut that off, and that's a snack for the chef. And that's how I slice a mango. The end.